Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your online ID on your PlayStation 5 account. So you can pretty much change it to anything you want, and it costs $10 right there. But I believe it's free the first time you do this. But to get here, press the PlayStation button, go to Profile, then go all the way to the right, and go to the Edit option, Edit Profile. And then you can go on down to Online ID right here. Now if you go to Name, this is going to be for your close friends, your real name, Timbo Slice. This is what they'll see. Then if we go to Online ID, this is going to be your username in all your games and for the people who are not your close friends. So we can just select this right here and then go through all the different permissions on the screen. So there's going to be a bunch of permissions. Just go to Continue. Then you're going to be brought to this page where you have to scan this QR code. Just scan it and sign in or hit approve on the PlayStation app on your phone. And then it'll bring you to the next screen where you can go ahead and just do your online ID now. And they have suggestions on the bottom, and we can refresh this if we want some more suggestions. So go ahead and just do this a couple times, see if there's any good ones. Let's just read a few out here. Lower length, dewy flex, oval uniform. So not very good ones, just ran a bunch of words. And then you can see the last time you actually changed your name. Mine was in 2019. If I didn't change it then, mine probably would have been from 2013. So just type in the online ID right here, and then you can go to confirm, and then you're going to have to pay for it too. So $9.99 in the United States. So go ahead and look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.